U.S. Supreme Court ruling that paves the way for legal sports betting and online gambling is throwing Connecticut state government into a tailspin.
Governor Malloy says the decision was not unexpected, but came about a month earlier than anticipated, and now top state lawmakers are scrambling to put together a bill, and the governor has started talks with the two tribes that operate casinos in southeastern Connecticut. So where do we go from here? Let's bring in our chief political correspondent, Mark Davis, with that. Mark.
Hi, Darren and Ann. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. Top state lawmakers who just ended their regular legislative session 2 weeks ago, I know it seems like a month, but it was just 2 weeks ago, met this afternoon face-to-face with Governor Malloy.
Bottom line is, to move forward, we need to reach agreements with the two tribal nations.
There is a consensus at the Capitol that because of Connecticut's quarter-century-old agreements called compacts with the tribal operators of the Mohegan Sun and Foxwoods, that moving forward with sports betting and online betting here is much more complicated than in other states. The two tribes have essentially a monopoly on legal gambling in exchange for 25% of slot revenue, this year estimated at $270 million. The legislature would have to approve this new form of legal gambling, or at least tell the governor what would pass in a special session this summer or fall so that he can negotiate with the tribes. Legislative leaders agree that the governor has sole authority to negotiate with the tribes.
We are going to have our own discussions among the bipartisan leadership about the focus we would like to see to offer him some legislative guidance on points that we think he should emphasize.
The off-track betting industry, like Sports Haven in New Haven and 16 other OTB facilities across the state, say they are in the best position to handle this new legal form of gambling and have actually been lobbying lawmakers for a year on the issue.
The governor's deal has to be reflected in our legislation because whether it's exclusive or not exclusive, it impacts how we write the bill.
The tribes say they already have exclusive rights to this new legal gambling. The Attorney General says they don't, but could make a good legal argument for it in court. And that's why it's more complicated here than in other states. There are no estimates on how much revenue would be raised for the state with this kind of gambling. And there's no estimate right now on when a special session would be held. Now, as I'm sure you know, this is an election year, and there are a lot of primaries, and that complicates things even more with the timing of any potential special session. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.